Next one, and this is a very important one as well, is often people get caught out on this, which again goes into what I was saying about save your money, is pay your taxes. I'm not an accountant, so depending on where you are in the world, you're going to need different advice, and I am not qualified to kind of talk to you about that. But once you start having like a decent income, just talk to an accountant for, $100, $200, book in like a consultation call with like a good accountant, figure out what it is that you need to do and the best structure that you should have for your business. For example, in the UK, I've known a lot of girls who haven't done this, and they have been an independent, kind of like a freelancer, which has a much, much higher tax rate in the UK than if they were to set up a limited company and put the money in there, and then they would only be taxed on profit. They can write off expenses, and corporation tax in the UK is 19%, and you can also start looking at some more creative tax strategies. So anyway, I can't give advice because people are going to be from all different parts of the world, but my advice is to talk to an accountant. If you do start making serious money, you can also start looking into like 0% tax countries. Like for example, in the UK, I'm British, but I'm a non-domicile UK resident, which means I don't live in the UK for 6 months of the year, which means I'm not technically a tax resident of the UK. I'm a tax resident of a different country, which means I pay 0% tax in that country, because you're able to start choosing your tax residency. So for some of you, when it gets serious, you'll be paying 40 to 50% taxes to the government, depending what country you're in. And you kind of want to make sure that once you start seeing some success, that you talk to a good accountant who's able to advise you on a flexible tax strategy that kind of keeps your options open. Yeah, final point. Take it seriously. Look, this money isn't going to fall out the sky. OnlyFans is definitely where in my opinion, it's the easiest business to run and one of the easiest ways to make money at the moment. But it doesn't mean the money's going to fall out the sky. We still have to put in the work. Like I said, it's getting very, very competitive. So you need to make sure that you're kind of one step ahead of the competition. But I think this is one of the easiest money-making opportunities that exist today, if not the easiest, especially with the crypto markets in the way that they are. So yeah, I strongly encourage you to take full advantage of it. Other than that, like, feel free to, if you have questions about management of OnlyFans, like, I'm on Telegram, I'm on Instagram. I don't quite answer all my messages, but I definitely try to. Like, you can leave a comment here, and I also try to get back to most of the comments that are like logical. There are some pretty stupid ones, but anyway, and if anyone is looking for management as well, like, you can also apply to join our agency, and we will happily walk you through the process of what it is that we do and how we can help you grow on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching.